make it fizzy and bubbles appear like magic. And there's 6 flavors. Strawberry, blue raspberry, berries and cream, sweet and sour, bubblegum, and cola. Interesting. And it comes with this little pack set and these 6 little mixes. So I'm going to make my very own soda shoppe. It says these actually work. I wonder if they actually do work like it says on the package. And there's a spoon and this weird, yeah, there's spoons. Thought it was a weird blocky thing. And there's cups too. Yummy Mummies cups. So if it actually works, we're going to prove it. Alright, so we're going to make it. So first, it says make sure the dry scoops A are level and the water scoops B are full. Wait, it says mix in. Try one. You mix blue raspberry in. Okay, so we need to find blue raspberry. Yep, blue raspberry. Blue raspberry in tray 1. I think we have to fill it up to the line. Okay, so we're going to fill tray 1 with the powder. I'm going to have to cut more of this off. Don't worry.
You're only supposed to use 1 scoop.
Oh, I'm sorry.
1 square scoop.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Round scoop, sorry. 1 round scoop. It says it right there. You're not reading it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I kind of messed it up. It's okay. This is actually you have to add a round scoop and then some water. So this is tray 1. Wait, why are you so mad at me about it?
I'm not mad. You just gotta read it.
I'm just going to add 1 little scoop of water. Hey, that's cool.
No, wait. That's not what you do.
I don't know. It just looks better to me that way. What I think that is. I messed up. It makes a little gum. I messed up.
You're supposed to fill the tray with water first, then add 1 scoop of powder to each tray.
Oh. I messed up. It's sad. No, it's not sad. It's funny.
Because you're not reading it.
It's funny. What? But
Yeah.
it's funny when I messed up. It's a fail. Oops. It kind of failed because it's our first try at it.
Now add 1 scoop of each powder to each thing. 1 round. Open.
Okay. bubble gum. Okay? So you mix in 1 round of bubble gum. My mom said it isn't actually funny to laugh about what I just said. No. It's funny when we fail. Pretty funny. Very funny. Hey, it's turning pink. You need to mix it too. Mixing is important. Okay.
Strawberries mixed.
Okay, strawberry. A scoop of strawberry. Sounds good. Oops, that's a little bit too much. Just enough. And some extra. Mmm. 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 That's pretty funny. Cola. Are you sure the green packet's cola? Yep, it says cola. And it's brown. They should have put it in like a brown package. That would be even more cooler. Oops. That's a big mistake. There we go. Oops. Okay.
In tray 5, and you can sweet and sour, which is 1 scoop of bubble gum and 1 scoop of blue raspberry.
1 scoop of bubble gum and 1 scoop of blue raspberry. Huh.
Mix sweet and sour.
Bubble gum. Okay. Scoop of bubble gum.
Oh, it's a half a scoop, I think.
Yeah, we can make it even more sweet or even more sour.
It's supposed to be a half.
It's still pretty cool. We can make it like, or oops. That's pretty funny. I got some on my skirt.
Okay, and
It's enough.
strawberry and cola for the last.
Ooh, what's it called?
Berries and cream.
Strawberry and cola. Is it 1 scoop?
Half a scoop.
Okay. Is this enough? Hey, that's good. Get this. And then you do a half scoop of... That's the fizzy stuff. This is the cola. So we just did strawberry, okay. And then a half scoop of cola. Smells like the dentist office to me. That's what it smells like to me. No, I want to try using the other spoon. Hey, we need to never forget to mix it. We haven't fully mixed all of them yet. Haha, this one you put in a little too much water. You put a little bit too much water. funny when you mess up, but sometimes it is quite a mess. It's pretty hard to actually mix this, because when I try to, I can't really mix it. Let's see what they taste like. Like it's grape, and this looks like it's a bit blue. I mean, this one looks like it's a little bit pinkish. Let's try tasting. Let's taste test. Okay, let's try blue raspberry. Oh. Oh, you have to add the fizzy powder.
And the vanilla base. Okay.
To where?
This one gets 3 round scoops
3 round scoops.
in here. And this one
We need to clean this.
gets 3 round scoops.
We need to clean this. Definitely.
That's the wrong one. This one goes in here.
Okay. Scoops of the vanilla base. One. Two. Three round scoops of the vanilla base. That was pretty awesome. That's pretty cool. So basically the vanilla base, you just have to add 3 round scoops into the little box. So I'm just going to mix more of it. And then you add the fizz. The fizz. How many scoops of fizz do you add? What did you say? 3 round scoops. Okay. So let's go ahead. One. That tastes pretty sour. Three round scoops of the fizz. The fizz is pretty sour. What you need to do is you need to basically... It doesn't look like blue raspberry to me. That looks like berries and cream. Oh, that isn't blue raspberry. That's like berries and cream or something like that. like bubble gum. It is bubble gum, I think.
Which one are you trying to do?
I
This
think.
is blue raspberry.
How do you know? Cause
This is bubble gum.
that's bubble gum. This is cola. Yeah, it's blue raspberry because it's completely blue. It's pretty hard to spurt the things in. Yeah, we can mix it up a bit. Awesome. It's good when you mix it up a bit. It just looks cool. I think we need I'm just gonna pour it in. Awesome. I fail. That's funny. Don't worry. You just don't squeeze it when you put it in. Life lesson there. I'm trying to unpop it. We need more. My mom's trying to tell me to make a soda when I'm trying to get more. I think I'm gonna pick this. What is this? Oh, yeah, it's that sweet and sour or whatever. So, let's go ahead and bring it through the soda factory. I'm gonna pick pink as my you know what. So, let's take a cup. Okay. So I think I might be picking, Jesus, where's cola? Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna pick cola. Okay. That doesn't really work. That's okay. Because
Stir stuff. That's why.
is it like required or something? I don't care if it's required or not. But this is what it kind of can look like. Let's try it.
Just put this stuff in this stuff. Not too much stuff.
That's pretty good. That's delicious. Let's try it out of the straw. It actually works. It's yummy. Yum. I'm gonna go ahead and try some fizziness. You put a little bit too much fizz in it. That's okay, since we're gonna be sliding it down. Let's try this big drink. I think it's strawberries mixed with cola. I could drink this literally all day. That's cool, and we have more so we can refill it. Woo! Thanks for watching, guys. And sorry if this video was long, but I really enjoyed that playset, and that was fun. It was really funny when the mess-ups happened.